Looking at the problem, x cubed minus 8x squared plus 25x minus 26 and 3 minus 2i is a root. What am I going to do with it? Yeah, 3 plus 2i is going to be a root. Good. That's going to be one more of my roots. What else am I going to do? How do I solve this problem? Divide. I'm going to do synthetic division. So I'm setting up synthetic division. 3 minus 2i goes in the box first. My numbers are 1, negative 8, 25, negative 26. When I do synthetic division here, what am I going to get? 0. I already know that because it tells me it's a root. So here I go. I bring down my 1. I multiply 3 minus 2i. When I combine negative 8 and 3 minus 2i, what do I get? Negative 5. I combine those two things. The minus 2i still stays there. Now what do I need to do? FOIL. Taking this times that. So over here, I'm going to do that. 3 minus 2i times negative 5 minus 2i. I'm multiplying. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. 3 times negative 2i is negative 6i plus 10i plus 4i squared. Negative 15, what's going to happen with my i's? What are my i's going to be there? 4i. And then I've got plus 4i squared tagged on the end. What's plus 4i squared going to become? Minus 4. So I really get negative 19 plus 4i. Negative 19 plus 4i goes there. When I combine 25 and negative 19 plus 4i, what am I going to get? 6 plus 4i. I am multiplying again. When I multiply this time, what do I know I'm going to get? 26. It's going to add to get me 0. So I know it's going to get me 26. Let's check just to make sure. So 3 minus 2i times 6 plus 4i. Multiply them together. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 12i, minus 12i, minus 8i squared. Middle's going to cancel. 18 plus 8. Yeah, that got me 26 like I hoped. Makes sense on the first step. It's synthetic division. You just have to FOIL a couple times to check your work. Once I've done 3 minus 2i, what am I going to do next? 3 plus 2i, I'm dividing with the other one. I'm setting it up. What am I going to get in the end? 0. Bring down my 1. Multiply. Ladies, stop. I add. I get negative 2. I multiply. Negative 6 minus 4i. I get 0 in the end. I've got 1 and negative 2. What's that mean to me? X minus 2. X is 2. There's my answer. Questions on what we did there? It takes a little bit of time, but I keep telling you over and over again,